How are you today? I hope all of you in a good condition. Today, you will study with me, Purini from SMPK Widyatawa Batu. We will study a new material about time. You can see on the chapter 3. Okay, kids, let's start study. Okay, now we must know what the objective from this lesson. After this lesson, you can tell the time, the date, the day, and the month. Okay, with the time, you must remember about the numbers. There are two kinds of numbers, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and etc. Ordinal number, biasanya kita menyebut dengan bilangan tingkatan. We can say like first, second, third, fourth, and etc. Okay. Now, how to write the date? We have to type to write the date. British pattern and American pattern. British pattern, you only just write the date and then month and then the year. Don't forget, give the comma. Example, 1st September of 2020, 12th August 2019, and then 31st January 2018. In American pattern, you have bulan, lalu kalian beri tanggal, lalu tahun. Ya. Don't forget, if you want to write the date, you must use ordinal number like first, second, and third. Next, now about days and month. I'm really sure that you are really know about days in a week and months in a year. Okay, days like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And months, there are 12 months in a year, like January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay. Now, how to asking and giving information about the days and months. You can ask your friend when you want to know about the day. You can ask him, wait, what the day is it today? What the day is after tomorrow? What month is it now? What is the next month? That is the expression of asking information about the day or time. How to giving information about time? You can answer with it is Monday, it is Thursday, it is September, it is October. Okay? Okay, next slide. These are some sentences that can give you clearly about time. Today is Wednesday. Today's letter is Friday. Today is Friday. 3 days ago was Tuesday. 2 days ago is 14th September, but tomorrow is 17th September. Now we are going to learn about the time. How tell the time? Okay, you must know there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Ya, ada 60 detik dalam 1 menit. Detik dalam bahasa Inggris adalah second. Okay? And then there are second minutes in 1 hour. Ada 60 menit dalam 1 jam. And there are 24 hours in a day. Ada 24 jam dalam 1 hari. Okay, you must remember. Second itu adalah detik, minutes ya menit. Kemudian hour, bacanya bukan hour ya, tapi hour itu adalah jam. Nah, sekarang bagaimana kalau kamu ingin menyatakan tepat atau jamnya adalah jam tepat, misalnya jam 7 tepat, jam 3 tepat. Kalian cukup menambah o'clock pada kata atau bilangan angkanya, seperti jam 7 tepat, it is 7 o'clock. 11 tepat, it is 11 o'clock. Jam 3 sore misalnya, it is 3 o'clock. Nah, lalu apa yang membedakan antara pagi atau petang? Itu ada aturannya, yaitu kita menggunakan AM dan PM. Kalau pagi itu adalah AM ya, antemeridium, yaitu jam 1 pagi dini hari sampai jam 12 siang. Sedangkan PM atau post meridium itu jam 1 siang sampai jam 12 malam atau pukul 24.00. Jadi kalian harus menggunakan PM jika itu menyatakan malam ya. Tetapi kalau pagi you must use AM after the numbers. Oke, next menyatakan lebih. We can use the word pas ya. Jadi untuk menyatakan lebih kita bisa menggunakan kata pas. Contoh misalnya jam 6 lebih 7. You must remember the first word that you must write is the minute first. After that the hours. Jadi yang ditulis dulu adalah menitnya dulu, lalu jamnya. Karena jam 6 lebih 7, jadi 7-nya yang ditulis. Menjadi it is 7 past 8. Ya. Lagi. Jam 10 lebih 10. Jadi apa yang kalian tulis dulu? That's right. 10 first. Ya. It is 10 past 10. Next. Jam 2 siang lebih 23 menit. It is 23 past 2. Is it clear for you? Next point is menyatakan lebih 15 menit. Or you can say with a quarter past. Like this. Jam 4 sore lebih 15 menit. How do you say it? Yeah, that's right. It is a quarter past 4. Jadi angka 15 menit itu bisa kamu singkat dengan a quarter. Ya, quarter past. Jam 9 lebih 15 menit. It is a quarter past 9. Okay. And then jam 7 lebih 15. It is quarter past 7. Can you get it? Okay, class. And now, how to say if the time past 30 minutes? Gimana ya caranya jika kalian ingin menyatakan jamnya itu lebih 30 menit? Oke, kalian bisa menggunakan istilah a half past or half past. Jam 6.30. It is a half past 6. 10.30. It is a half past 10. Begitu juga seterusnya. Jadi mudah. 30 menit cukup diganti dengan half past. Lalu jamnya jam berapa? Kalian mengerti? Now, how to say kurang in English? Misalnya kalian ingin menyebut jam 5 kurang 10 menit atau jam 10 kurang 10 menit. Jam 12 kurang 3 menit. Nah, seperti itu. Contohnya biasanya kalau di dalam jam tertulis 10.50. Nah, itu berarti kamu harus menghitung dulu. You must remember in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. Jadi kamu harus ingat, jika dalam 1 jam itu terdiri dari 60 menit. Jadi menitnya kalian kurangi dulu dengan jumlah 60 itu ya. Jadi 60 dikurangi 50, hasilnya kan 10. Nah, lalu yang jamnya itu kalian tambah 1. Itu akan memudahkan kalian ya. Contohnya seperti ini, jam 10 lebih 50 akan menjadi 10-nya ditambah 1 menjadi 11. 60 dikurangi 50 menjadi 10. Jadi kan 11 kurang 10 menit. How to say in English? You can say like this. It is 10 to 11. Cara mengartikannya dari belakang. Jam 11 kurang 10 menit. Seperti itu. Jam 12 kurang 3. 60 dikurangi 57. Ya, hasilnya 3. Lalu yang 11-nya kalian tambah 1 menjadi 12. So, you can say it is 3 to 12. So, untuk menyatakan kurang, you can use 2. Can you follow me? Okay, class. Now you have known about days, about months, and about how to use, how to asking, how to giving information related with the time. Now your task is make a video, about your activities, daily activities that related with the time. For example, like this. I get up in the morning at 5 o'clock and then I take a bath at 5:15 or past 5. Okay, you can do it well. Okay, students, don't forget about that. Send your task into Google Classroom. Next meeting we will discuss about your video. Okay? See you next meeting, class. Goodbye.